welcome to Machine Tip Tuesday. I'm McKaylee and I'm here with Barb.
Hello.
And we're going to show you 2 feet that actually come with your machine that can help you put on a button.
All right, we are sewing on the crescendo, although most of these machines will come with this very foot. All right, so first I'm going to get my foot out. This is what it looks like when it comes in your little case. And I can push this open and put a button in there. And now it measures the button. And this space right here is how it measures the button. Because you'll see we'll put a sensor right in there that will do it for us. So now I'm going to put my button on, attaching it right there. So I'm going to drop my foot down. Sorry, I'm right in your way. And there it is. It's on.
Easy peasy.
Now, I'm going to put my foot down. I have to select a stitch over here, so I'm in the buttonhole window. And I think I'll just do that one.
Awesome.
Now this is 1-step buttonhole, so all I have to do, I got my foot down, is and I selected my stitch. It tells me to have my A foot on, which is that foot I just put on. And I'm going to step on the gas. Oh, it just reminded me. I have to put this buttonhole sensor lever, and it has to go between. Remember those places I showed you? This is how wide the button is. That's where that sensor goes.
See if we can do a back angle. Okay.
I'm going to set it for a little bit. All right, now I'm going to step on the gas. And it's going to make that buttonhole the exact size of the button I've measured in the back. That's why I put it in the buttonhole. And it stops. I've still got my foot on the pedal, and it just stops. I could even do that with my foot pedal removed and just push on that. But I put it on there. Okay, I'm going to cut my threads, raise my foot, and take it out.
My goodness.
Now I'm going to drop my foot off. You remember how easy that is to do. Put my sensor up, and there it is. I can take the button out. And if you look, that's the perfect size for that button. Is that great?
It's awesome.
But we're going to go another step.
Amen.
This is the M foot, and this one has, I don't know, is that good enough for you to see?
Mm-hmm.
See how that wire or that metal comes down?
It's like bouncy.
Yeah, it is bouncy. And I can put that button in there. And I'm going to line those red dots up with the holes. Can you see that?
Yeah, can everyone see that?
There you go.
The red dots are aligned with the buttonholes.
They are. Now I'm going to carefully put this on my machine. And I'm going to visualize, I think I'm stuck on that. There we go. I've got my buttonhole stuck a little bit. There, it's on. Now I'm going to visually look at it again to make sure those holes are still lined up. Because sometimes when you're putting the button foot on, it will shift out around that button. And those holes, it's really important they're in the same spot. Now over here, I've got to select my button stitch. And there it is right there, 418. And that's going to tell me that I need my M foot on. And I've chosen the buttonhole, or the button, because I already done the buttonhole, and it's going to drop the feed dogs. And now I'm going to put this in there. Now to start off with, I'm going to turn the hand wheel 1 revolution to make sure, and I've got the hole, so that's perfect. I'm going to come over here and do it again. And when I've got it in there, I know I'm going to miss the foot, hitting the foot, and hitting the button. I'm going to hit the holes, and that's where I want to hit. Now I can step on the gas.
Wow, that is so nice.
And I just sewed the button on. So I made a buttonhole, I sewed on the button. Just that easy.
Oh my goodness.
Isn't that great?
That's awesome.
Another way to do it.
Woo!
I love it. All right, go sew a buttonhole.
Awesome.
Okay, thank you.